This is our mini project. We have two columns. One is section circle. This column has circular section and this is a square section. We will perform a test. It is called compressive strain test of column. Very easy test. No, we should keep something, put something less heavy.
If we get the machine that can calculate the compression we produce, our experiment will be more easy and accurate. It's still holding more loads. Again more. More. And it's done. And for that, one, I guess it won't be able to take such strength. You see that? That again proved that circular column can take more load.